Following a recent fatal crash involving a Xiaomi SU7 sedan in assisted driving mode, China is cracking down on the safety and marketing of smart driving systems. Authorities have announced tougher requirements for automakers, including stricter testing and clear communication about the limits of assisted driving technologies. Wang Qiang from the Ministry of Public Security emphasized, the driver is still responsible for operating the vehicle. Current systems are not truly autonomous, and drivers who take their hands off the wheel face serious safety risks and legal consequences. Drivers can face civil, administrative, or even criminal penalties if accidents occur while using these features irresponsibly. China is also banning exaggerated or false promotion of assisted driving features. Automakers must now be transparent about what their technology can and cannot do. New driving test standards are being considered, requiring drivers to prove they can use smart driving features safely and responsibly. With these measures, China aims to safeguard its roads as intelligent vehicles become more common, reminding drivers that until true autonomy arrives, the ultimate responsibility remains with them.